Hello and welcome to Theroto TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Bitcoin iced $27,000 amid spot ETF launch prospect. Virtual digital assets or VDA are witnessing a relatively calm session in the past 24 hours. With a couple of funds trying to launch spot Bitcoin-backed exchange-traded funds, the race to grab the slice of the crypto pie is heating up. However, China announcing its first rate cut in 10 months dampened the spirit. BTC struggled to gather upside direction. The past 24 hours saw Bitcoin's price attempt to break the significant psychological and technical area of $27,000. The bulls were initially able to take the price above the level, but they failed to sustain the buying momentum and BTC dropped below it. IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, was last quoting at 37,176 points, up 0.89%. Futures linked to the S&P 500 ticked higher by 1.23%, while Nasdaq 100 futures edged lower by 0.38%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were quoting 0.33% soft. Elsewhere, the People's Bank of China lowered the 1-year and 5-year loan prime rates by 10 basis points to 3.55% and 4.3% respectively. Meanwhile, the US dollar remains weak after a hawkish pause by the US Fed, with the US dollar index sliding below 102.50. In other news, BTC has scored half a century as it reached 50% market dominance for the first time in 2 years. Now this means Bitcoin alone accounts for half of crypto's total $1.1 trillion market capitalization. Bitcoin's dominance is the metric which tracks its share relative to that of the rest of the market. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, changed hands 1.45% higher at $26,774. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, recently quoted at $1,728.46, up 0.21%. So most of the altcoins are trading flat without any major increases in price. From the large cap cryptocurrencies, Solana Sol is up 2.58% at $15.92. Polygon Matic quoted 1.27% higher to $0.61. Next on the list is DogeCoin, which edged 0.03% up at $0.062. Talking about Avalanche AVAX, it was trading at $11.39, up 0.71%. Ripple's XRP token is down 0.92% at $0.48. Next on the list, we have BNB. It has eased 0.60% to trade at $240.90. And Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.28%. Cardano's ADA token was lower 0.08% to trade at $0.26. Last on the list, we have Polkadot, which was down by 1.24% to trade at $4.47. And now let's move to our market analyst, Mr. Aditya Chakrabarti, for his views on the overall cryptocurrency market.
BTC has been predominantly trading with a consolidation pattern in recent weeks as the overall market experienced uncertainty. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, further intensified this uncertainty by initiating legal actions against cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase and Binance, alleging the listing of unregistered securities.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aditya Chakrabarti, for sharing your views with our viewers. That's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such market-related updates, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With Theroto TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with Theroto TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. Theroto TV delivers the news that matters.
CZ, the CEO of Binance, has found himself embroiled in controversy after his exchange provided financial support to Zach XBT in his defamation case brought by Jeffrey Yang, commonly known as Marky Big Brother. Binance's $50,000 donation to Zach XBT came shortly after Marky contributed his bored ape of Club NFTs to Binance in support of the exchange's ongoing dispute with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Cyrus NFT, an acclaimed rug pull survivor, reported the irony of Marky's NFT transfer to Binance, followed by CZ's donation to Zach XBT on Twitter. Cyrus NFT's tweet emphasized the unexpected convergence of activities by parties involved in different legal fights. While CZ's support for Zach XBT may appear to be partisan, the Binance CEO swiftly explained his stance. CZ responded to the tweet by emphasizing that his support for Zach XBT did not imply that he was taking sides in the legal issue between Zach XBT and Marky. He instead supported Zach XBT because of his considerable contributions to the sector. A digital art collection originally owned by defunct cryptocurrency hedge firm 3 Arrows Capital has fetched about $11 million at Sotheby's in New York, setting a new auction record for works sold as non-fungible tokens amid a general decline in demand for comparable assets. Among the 37 artworks available for purchase with Bitcoin were Dmitry Cherniak's Ringer's #879, also known as the Goose. It sold for $6.2 million to enthusiast Punk 6529, making it the second most valuable work of generative art ever sold, behind another of Cherniak's creations, according to the auction house. The transaction comes only weeks after Sotheby's received $2.5 million for a smaller batch of NFTs owned by 3 Arrows, which declared bankruptcy in the United States in July after crypto exchange Jedibit claimed it owed $18 million. According to the Financial Times, the formerly Singapore-based fund owes creditors more than $3 billion. Inscriptions, which was launched on June 17 by Tom Lehman, co-founder of music website Genius.com, seeks to revolutionize Ethereum-based digital asset production and has already generated around 30,000 inscriptions in the first 18 hours. Inscriptions promises to improve the way digital assets are produced on the Ethereum network by drawing inspiration from the famous Bitcoin ordinals protocols, which assets are known as inscriptions. Lehman, who goes by the Twitter handle Middlemarch, called the endeavor a huge success. Inscriptions makes use of Ethereum's call data, which refers to data contained within a smart contract, to enable a cheaper and more decentralized minting procedure than other smart contract-based approaches. At the moment, the protocol restricts users to image-only inscriptions, but Lehman promises that inscriptions will support more file types in the future. Users can inscribe any image that is smaller than 96 kilobytes in size according to current protocol requirements. The Ethereum Punk Lehman's first initiative on the inscriptions protocol received a resoundingly positive response from the community. All 10,000 assets were claimed nearly instantly, reinforcing the community's positive acceptance of the system.